Hello everybody, welcome to my kitchen, welcome to my channel. My name is Christina and today we will cook parsnip. I don't know why I can pronounce this name. Parsnip puree. I don't know if you guys are familiar with this vegetable, but it's not as known as carrots, for example, although it's the same family. This vegetable is very special. It has this beautiful sweet aroma and it's very nutritious. It's packed with vitamin A, vitamin C and E. It's rich in fiber and what else? And then it's in season right now. And if you guys are following me on Instagram, you probably know that I'm a big supporter of everything that is local and seasonal. That's why we will cook parsnip puree today, because it's in season. So the recipe actually is really easy. First we will peel the parsnips and then we will cut them into uniform sizes. Usually you cook this puree with the cream and water. But because right now I'm not eating any dairy products, I will substitute cream with this coconut and almond milk cream. So I will shake it well and then I'll add a little bit of water. This recipe will work really well with any other types of root vegetables, for example celery root. So we will put our parsnips in the pot. Oops. No food wasted. Hold on. Huh. Okay, you see? I will add some cream and water. Now we will transfer this on the stove and we will bring it to a simmer and then we will cook it until our vegetables will show no resistance. And I'm back after 25 minutes. So now we need to make sure that our parsnips are tender. Let's give it a try. Yes, they are. So it means that we can transfer them into the blender. Nice and slow. Remember, this is really hot. Here's a small tip. Every time when you work with a blender, and especially if you have something that is hot, never start on high speed. Start with the slow speed, okay? I had some bad experience before. Okay. Let's see. Oh, it's really hot. Whew. Okay, now I need to open this. Okay, guys, I can't open this thing. That's a problem. What should I do? God damn it. Yo! Okay, that's real power. You see? Okay. Oh, this smell. Oh, it's so good. Okay, look how smooth it is. You see? And if you noticed before, I added some salt already, but still I have to taste if I need to add more salt. Guys, this is This is so good. This dish itself, this puree, is so delicious. You can use it as a garnish with everything, with fish or chicken, with lobster. But I mean, I have no words. It's really, really good. I don't have to add any more salt, but I will add some thyme on top. I just bought this beautiful fresh thyme. This smell is everything, and it's delicious. It's so, so, so good. Beautiful. And voila! This is it, our parsnip, okay, I pronounced it the right way. Our parsnip puree is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please comment down below. And please feel free to follow me on Instagram. And what else? Yeah, I guess that's it. I'll see you guys next week. Thank you for watching.